Okay, I'm gonna make some pizza dough, and I'm gonna use my bread machine, something I don't normally use, but I'm gonna just use the dough cycle for it. So let's get started, and we're gonna put it in the order that it calls for. 1.5 cups of water and butter. We want 4 teaspoons of butter, all going right in, just like that. You know me, I don't like to bang my pans or my dishes. That's just a little quirky thing I got there. And 2 tablespoons of sugar, right there. And 4 teaspoons of non-fat dried powdered milk, right there. And 2 teaspoons of salt, and I use Himalayan salt. 4 cups of bread flour. The only flour I use is King Arthur. Just about all the time, that's all you'll ever see me use. No matter for what, it's always King Arthur. Bread or rolls or biscuits. And you want 2 teaspoons of yeast. And I can't remember, I bought this yeast in a 3-pound bag. I don't remember the brand because sometimes I switch it up. Now I'm gonna go get the herbs because it's gonna be in everything, so hold on. Okay, I'm putting in a bunch of seasonings. I've got chopped garlic, I've got dried onion, I've got parsley, I've got basil, and I've got Italian seasoning. And this was about a teaspoon of each, and this is going in, just like that. Now, all I gotta do is close my cover and hit start, and that'll go for 1.5 hours. And this here is a Sunbeam bread machine that I have. It does a 2-pound loaf and a 1.5 pound loaf. So I'll bring you back when the dough is done. We'll do it from start to finish. Okay, the dough is done, and I'm putting the oven on 425, and let's continue. Okay, folks, I'm back. Doesn't this dough look good? And look, I'm gonna show you how good it is. See right here? See when it springs right back, you can poke your finger right in it, just like popping fresh dough. This is great dough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pat it out into the pan right now. Now this pizza pan is 16 inches. I just measured it. Oh boy, does this crust smell yummy. I've got the oven going to preheat at 425, and I'll put it in for about 20 minutes, and then I will check it and see how it's going. I have some of my own herbs in here, which makes it smell so good. And we're gonna top it off with some sauce of your choice, and with some pepperoni, some red pepper, and some red onion. Ray is the pepperoni lover. He loves his pepperoni. Me? Yeah, it's okay. I can live with it, or I can live without it. Me, I like vegetables. Ray, he's not such a vegetable guy, as you all know. He doesn't like vegetables very well, and he does not like a whole lot of fruit. Well, it's raining here in Maine, which we desperately need. And it's gonna rain hard here tonight. So, looking forward to that rain. Oh boy, look at this. Stretches out really good. It's doing great. I just kind of put my fingers all through it. Just make that dough happy. When you're happy, I'm happy, the dough's happy, everybody's happy. Happy's good. There. There we go, just like that. Stretch it out just a little bit more there. Can't hurt it. Smack it and dab it. There we go, just like that. We'll call this good right here. Like I said, use the sauce of your choice that you like and cheese that you like. So here we go. Time to put the sauce on. I am a little generous with everything, but that's okay. Just going to grab the cheese out of the refrigerator, which I almost forgot. I don't know how I could do that. There, I used my Grammie spoon earlier, so we don't have her spoon to work with today. And we're just gonna move this all around, just like this. That garlic really makes everything smell good. So the basil, the Italian seasoning, everything. Yeah, just like that. Make it a little happy with a little more sauce. Just like that. Yeah, trying to get this in under 10 minutes, 10 or 11 minutes, because YouTube seems to shut me off. I don't know why or how come or what I'm doing wrong. So there we go there. And this is mozzarella cheese. You can put on whatever brand or whatever you like, but that's what we like to top it with. That's why I'm so fluffy, everybody. I don't skimp on too much. There, this will make Ray nice and happy after working a long day at work. Me, I like the red peppers and the onions. Ray, not so much, but that's okay. That's okay. No problem with that. Just like this. Put the red onions on. Don't have to be fancy. We're country folk here. It's all gonna be eaten and it's all good stuff. First thing Ray will say when he comes in, something smells good. He says that every night. I guess he thinks he's not gonna get fed. And we're just gonna put some pepperoni on it now. Just like this. And I'm gonna stop it right here to save some time. And you guys can see, let me see what time I got here. Yeah, I better stop it. Okay, and I'll bring you back when it's all done. I'll add in, I wanted to show you how good this is, and it did cook very well. Okay, folks? Okay, folks, apparently Ray must be working over. I've taken the pizza out. I don't want to leave it in the oven too much longer. It's still pretty warm. Hopefully he'll be home soon. Please give me thumbs up. As you can see, this really came out yummy. Let me see if I can lift this up. Don't think I can, but it's very well cooked. It cooked through really well. I can't cut it, I don't believe. It's still too warm. But if you like this video, please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize all the traffic on my channel. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. So like I say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great night. God bless.